morning of Botswana Independence. So welcome to my channel. Today is another day. I'm going to be visiting my mom, so I've got a few things to do. I'm going to be baking scones for our brunch. I'm going to be spending the whole day with my mom. So look at the sunshine. Isn't that beautiful? So let me tell you something about the village life. Since the past few days, since we arrived maybe a week or a week and a half ago, there's no water. Today I have to wake up first thing at 3 o'clock in the morning to have a shower, because if you wait that long, you will not get your shower. So let me just show you. This is my plot. Like, this is my village home. All this space, okay, it's enough space for more development. I'm excited, but I'm more excited about the sun. Loving the sun. Temperatures during the day goes up to 40 degrees. Yesterday it was even more. So I'll take you through my day today. Thank you. Look at my guard dog. Oh, Spotty. Okay, my dog's name is Spotty, but it doesn't have spots. Okay, Spotty. Hi, Spotty. Let's play. Oh, he's angry. He needs some food. Let me give him some breakfast. Okay, we're just about to start baking our scones. So you see my measuring cup there. Got the mixing bowl, all the ingredients for the scones, and my baking trays, my cake flour, obviously my Tupperware where we're gonna be putting the scones in. So let's start the baking. I'll show you the final product. I could have shown you how to do it, but I think something's wrong with my ring light. I don't understand, sorry. Okay, I'll show you. We just started our baking process. I just mixed all the dry ingredients in the mixing bowl. You've got 5 cups of flour, and I added 2 tablespoons of sugar, 5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So the wet ingredients, as you can see, I've got 360 ml of milk. I've added 3 small eggs. If I had 2 big eggs, I would have added 2 big eggs. So I just added 3 small eggs and mix them together, and I put in a little bit of vanilla essence, about half a tablespoon. So I'm just about to slice my butter and mix it with my dry ingredients before I can put in my wet ingredients, and then we should be ready. I'll show you once I've done the mixing. Thank you. As you can see, I've added my butter. I'm going to mix it with my hand and make sure it's fully mixed with the flour or the wet ingredients. I'll show you once it's fully mixed. I've preheated my oven at 200 degrees. So see you soon. As you can see, now my dry ingredients mixed with the butter. So this is how it looks like. It's a little bit yellowish. So I'm now just going to pour in my wet ingredients, and our scone dough will be ready. As you can see, I always use my traditional wooden spoon to mix things together. It's the best thing ever, so you can try it as well. Okay, using my scone cutter, I'm just using the scone cutter to make the perfect size I need. And this dough is gonna fit into 2 baking trays, and I'll show you the results after it's baked. This is my second tray. The first one came in and there were visitors and they took on. So this is the final product of our scone. So as you can see, nice and brown. Okay, here we are, another tray. I just forgot to tell you that once you put in the oven, you just wait for another 10 to 15 minutes and your scone will be ready. So this is my other product, and you've got some in there. So I'll just show you how much I'm going to bake later. Thank you. Okay, this is your final product. So that's the scones I've been baking all morning. So now it's time to go, and let me show you one scone open. That's what it looks like inside. Look, scone, nice and soft. Yummy.